Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve LeetCode 1399, count largest group. This problem is based on the concept of hash map and math, and it has been asked in meta. It is marked as easy, so I will try to make this explanation beginner friendly. Let's have a look at the problem statement. You are given integer n. Integer n is given to us, and each number from 1 to n is grouped according to the sum of its digits. So n is given to us, and they are saying that starting from 1 to n, every number is grouped according to the sum of its digit. Then return the number of groups that have the largest size. This is the problem statement, and the value of n will go till 10 to the power 4. Let's have a look on the example. Here my input will be an integer 13. It means I am given a number from 1 to 13, starting from 1 to 13. So these are the number given to us, and what they are saying is we are grouping these numbers on the basis of the digit sum. What is the digit sum? So in 13, if I just sum up all the digits, 1 plus 3, 4. So digit sum of 13 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are going to have their digit sum as same to this, because they have only one digit. What about 10? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. And 1 plus 3, 4. So this is the digit sum. And now on the basis of the digit sum, I am going to group these numbers. So digit sum 1 has two groups, 1, 10. And digit sum 2 is having only 2. No, not 2. Digit sum 2 is having 2 and 11. And digit sum 3 is having 3 and 12. And digit sum 4 is having 4 and 13. And starting from 5 to 9, we have only one item in the group. It means if I do this grouping, what we have to return? Return the number of groups that have the largest size. What is the largest size here? Largest size is 2, because none of the group is crossing the 2 size. Largest size is 2, and number of groups that have the largest size are 4 in number. So for this problem, the 4 is going to be my answer. Number of groups that have the largest size. This is the largest size, and this is the number. So this is how we have to do. So first of all, I need to capture how many times a digit sum is encountering. See, they are not expecting us to return the groups or calculate the groups. They are not expecting us to return the groups, exact groups. They just want the number of those groups and number of groups that are having the largest size. And the largest size means for any digit sum, any group with the largest number of elements, that is the largest size. So here, what is this value? This value is digit sum. And what is this? These are the numbers from this range 1 to n that are having that specific corresponding digit sum. So the numbers which are having 2 as a digit sum. So what I can do is, like, I am not only concerned about the number of items in this group, and whatever group is having the maximum number, so that is going to be the maximum size of that group. And how many times that maximum size is coming, that is going to be my answer. So here I am getting an idea that for a digit sum, I need to capture what is the group size. So let's say for any digit sum 4, how many elements from 1 to n that are having digit sum equal to 4, that is going to be here. And we are not concerned about the group, we are only concerned about the number. Let's say number is 3 elements are there with the digit sum 4. So I can capture this is the digit sum, and this is the number of element from 1 to n. So what I can do here is I can take a hash map. Hash map is the implementation of HashTable, where we can store an entry which is having a key and a corresponding value. Here in this example, what can be the key? Key can be the digit sum. digit sum, and how many times this digit sum is coming in this range 1 to n, that can be my value, frequency of this digit sum. And if we look at the constraints, the value of n is going from 1 to 10 power 4. So my number n will go from start from 1 until 10 power 4. 10 power 4 is 1,000,000, and I can take a roughly idea that second last number is 9999, and I don't think, and all the numbers are less than 4 digits. So maximum digit sum can go around 9999 36. So this can be the maximum size. If I just take a digit sum as a key, my key will vary from 1 to 40 only. My keys are going to be vary from 1 to 40. So these are the scope of the keys. And what is the value? Value is the frequency, how many times that digit sum is coming. Now I need to know how we can calculate the digit sum. But before that, I will just tell you that we are not concerned about taking a hash map implementation. Instead, we can take an array, or you can call it custom hash table. Custom hash table using an array, let's say array of integer size 40. So integer size 40 means this array is going to have indices from 0, 1, 2 until 39, and these indices I can utilize as a key. So these are my key, and what will be the value? Value is like how many times this key, like this digit sum is coming. Let's say how many times digit sum 2 is coming, so that will be the value, and that value is the size of that group. And whatever is the maximum size, we have to return the count of the maximum size. That's all. So this is something related to the hash table. Custom hash table we are going to take, which is going to store the size of the group, and group size is based on the digit sum, and digit sum is the key here. Now we need to know for any number how we are going to calculate the digit sum. We have number in the range from 1 to n, so we can definitely take a loop starting from 1 and going till n, and for every number I need to calculate the digit sum. Digit sum of any number, let's say that is captured in the ds. So now this digit sum function I need to take care of. How do I calculate it? Let's say the number is 121. Here, how do I calculate the digit sum? See, first of all, I can take this rightmost digit if I just take a modulo with 10, right? Modulo with 10 means remainder if I just divide this number with 10. So this number is going to give me the rightmost digit. So rightmost digit is 1 in this case. After this, if I divide the given number with 10, let's say 121 divided with 10, if I divide it with 10, I will be left with 12. Now I can take the same thing, taking the modulus of this 12 number, modulus with 10, it is going to give me 2 as a rightmost digit. Now if I again remove one digit from the right, or in short divide it with 10, I will be left with 1. Now if I take 1 modulo 10, I will be getting 1. And if I again divide 1 with 10, I will be left with 0. So this is how I am going to calculate the digit sum. Every time for a given number n, I am going to capture the rightmost digit, and then remove the rightmost digit. So if I just write the function of it, digit sum integer number integer, first of all let's say answer is equal to 0, while this n number is greater than 0, what I can take is capture the rightmost digit. Rightmost digit is this current number taking modulus with 10. This is the rightmost digit, and the rightmost digit will be added to my answer. Answer plus equal to rightmost digit, and then this n and divide equal to 10. So this is something we can use to calculate the digit sum, and in the end we can directly return answer. So this is standard logic to figure out the digit sum. Now we have the digit sum, and I need to capture this digit sum in my hash table. And for the hash table, I can take a custom hash table of integer size which is having 40. You can take anything, like 40 is more than sufficient to have all the digit sums. So these are the values in by default initialized with 1, 0, and then digit sum I can capture. How I can capture it? Hash of digit sum plus plus. And while capturing the digit sum, I can also capture the maximum value. Maximum value means maximum of any group. Maximum of any group means that is how many items are there in that digit sum. How many items in the specific group which is having digit sum equal to digit sum. So that will be given by the value on this hash. So value in this hash is hash of current digit sum, comma, whatever is maximum value so far. So using this I can capture the maximum group size that we can have so far. Now what we have to return is, we have calculated the digit sum, we have calculated the hash table, and the return value will be how many times this maximum value is coming in this hash. That is something we can iterate over the 40 value again and get the answer. Now what is the time and space complexity? See, digit sum will go order of 4 every time because the digit are at around 4 times. Order of 4 is the digit sum time complexity, and this is something going till the order of n. So overall the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of 40. So I'm just take it as a constant. So it's a linear time operation. And now we'll have a look on the code. Let's say the code, we have decided that the number digit sum might not cross 40. So I'm just taking a custom hash table of 40 size, integer array hash new integer array of 40. Now I will just iterate over this range starting from 1 and going till n I plus plus. Now I will just calculate the digit sum of current number which is I, and let's write the utility function first. Private integer digit sum integer n, where I will just calculate, let's say sum is equal to 0 and return sum in the end. And this sum, while this number is greater than 0, what I will do is I will capture the rightmost digit value. So sum plus equal to current number divided by, take a modulus with 10. Modulo operator is something which is we are using here. Modulo operator is going to give us the remainder. So modulo 10 is going to give me the rightmost digit and then remove the rightmost digit. Sum n divide equal to 10. So now this sum is going to have the digit sum, and digit sum is something we are have already captured, and I'll just capture the frequency, how many times any digit sum is coming. Hash of digit sum plus plus. And apart from that, I'm also capturing a variable maximum digit sum we have captured so far, and this maximum value I will just keep on updating. If hash of ds is greater than the current max will be updated to hash of ds. Now the loop is completed. I will check how many times this max value is coming in this hash table. For that I can run another loop. For I int I equal to 0, I less than 40, I plus plus, if hash of I is equal to max, answer plus plus. And this is something we have to return answer and before that just initialize this answer to 0. Let's run over sample test cases. Sample test cases are working fine. I'm submitting the problem. Submitted successfully. I hope you understood the approach. In case you get any doubt, you can discuss in the comment section below in the Discord community. And here we have used a hashing concept with the custom hash table and a simple math concept, which is taking a modulo. Thank you.